dear students and respected parents. Myself, Mrs. Dipti Yadav, teacher of Sanskar the Smart School, are here before you to give some instruction related to studies. As you all know, due to coronavirus, we all are locked down. So we cannot come out of our house. But we, the teacher of Sanskar the Smart School, has decided to teach you from the home onwards, so that you people will be safe and away from virus. So today I am going to teach you algebra portion related to lesson 3. Okay children, our lesson 3 is a pair of linear equation in two variables. So first of all, take out your rough copy, pen and have a seat. Relax and note down what all things I am saying one by one. And if any doubt afterward, you can pause my video and again listen and make notes by yourselves. Whenever class will be open, I will be going to check your notes. Write down today's date, and date, and write down classwork. Okay children? So, shall I start my lesson? All are ready? Okay, pay attention. Okay, write down first heading, pair of linear equation in two variable. Lesson name is pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay, now write down first question, define pair of linear equation in two variable. Define linear equation. First of all, write down define linear equation. Look here, an equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b and c are real number. A, b and c are real number, and a and b is not equal to 0 is called linear equation in two variable. Two variable is, what is that two variable? X and y. X and y is a two variable and a and b are the coefficient. A, b and c are the coefficient real number. Did you got it? Linear equation in two variable we can write in following way also in mathematical language. Equation is a1 into x plus b1 into y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2 into x plus b2 into y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here restriction is that a1, a2, b1, b2 is not equal to 0. It means it should be different number you can choose rather than 0. Did you got it? And a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, all these are what? Real number. Real number means any number, any counting number. And x and y are here two variables. These two are the pair of linear equation. Did you got it? What is the pair of linear equation? In mathematical language, once more repeat it. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, b1 is not equal to 0. a2, b2 is also not equal to 0. If it will be 0, then it will be not a linear equation. So keep it in mind, this a1, a2, b1, b2, it should not be equal to 0. Okay, you can take any of the counting number. Now next point is, here this linear equation we can be explained through two methods. What are the two methods? Did anybody knows? First method, I will tell you students. First method is graphical method. Note down in how many methods we can explain this linear equation. Question number 2, note it down. How many methods are used to explain linear equation? Answer is, there are two methods to explain linear equation. First one is graphical method. Another one is algebraical method. Did you got? First one is graphical method. Another one is algebraic method. So, first we will deal with graphical method. First is graphical method. So, in graphical method is also divided into 3 cases. Okay, it is divided into 3 cases. There are 3 more equations. First one is in case when A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Means here I have written A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. For example, any of the number you can choose where A1 and A2 is not. When you are solving the two equation, you will be getting 2 answers. So, suppose you got an answer 3 by 7 and here another value you got 5 by 8. Suppose I am giving an example. A1, value of A1 is equal to 3, value of A2 is equal to 7. And here value of B1 is 5, value of B2 is 8. Here both the numbers, both the side LHS and RHS is not equal. This side is LHS, this is RHS, and both A1 and A2 and B1 and B2 is not equal to each other. In that case, you will be getting, when you will be plotting graph, you will be getting 2 lines like this, which will intersect each other at a point. Did you got it? When you will get intersecting line, when you will get the answer which A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Means both the answer should not be equal to each other. If both the sides are not equal to each other, then when you will be plotting the graph, you will be getting an intersecting line. This intersecting line will meet at a point. That point is known as unique solution. Did you got it? Intersecting line will meet at a point. That point is called unique solution. Is that clear, students? What is unique solution? Next question, write down. What is unique solution? When 2 lines intersect at a point, that point is called unique solution. That is the answer. And what is the case 1? In graphical method, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. In that case, we will get an intersecting line. You can write next one more question. In which case you will get intersecting line? This case you have to write down. Did you got it? Now case number 2. In case number 2, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. That is equal to C1 by C2. It means that all the values should be equal to each other. How it will be equal to each other? See here. For example, 9 by 18, 3 by 6, 12 by 24. When we will cut 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. What you got? 1 by 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Again what you got? 1 by 2. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. Again what you got? 1 by 2. Means solving an pair of linear equation, you will be getting 3 answers. And that 3 answers should be matching with each other. Means all the answers should be equal to each other. Here you got 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2, 1 by 2. In that case, you will be getting 1 line, 2 line. That line is known as coincident line graph. You will be, when you will plot the graph, when equal value you got, at that time when you will be plotting the graph, at that time the line you got, that will be overlapping. There will be 2 lines which will be overlapping with each other. Overlapping with each other मतलब एक के ऊपर एक. This black line is one line and this red line is another line. Did you got it? That line is known as coincident line. Is that clear? it means two lines will overlap with each other, and here you will be getting infinitive many solution, means बहुत सारे आंसर आपको आएंगे, that will be equal to each other. It will be equal to each other, and we will get an consistent solution. We will be getting a consistent solution. Here also we will be getting a consistent solution in intersecting line and in which coincident line. When you will draw the graph, in that case when you plot a graph, if you are getting intersecting line and coincident line, in that case that solution is known as consistent solution. In coincident line and intersecting line, the solution which is obtained is known as consistent solution. Did you clear? Did you got it? Now third case. In third case, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. Is that clear? What is the third? In third case, repeat after me. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. In that case, you will be getting parallel line graph. You will be getting parallel line graph. For example, if you are getting for example, I am writing one example. 6 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 1, but it is not equal to 10 by 9. When you are solving two linear pair equation, you will be getting the answer, and that answer when I am going to cut, it will be A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it will be not equal to C1 by C2. See here, 2 ones are 2 and 2 table 6 is coming, 2 threes are 6. Here also 3 by 1, here also 3 by 1, but here minus is minus, so minus minus cut, so it become plus. Now it will be become 3 by 1 both in positive case, but last answer is not matching with this two answer, means A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 both are equal to each other, but C1 by C2 is not equal. In that case, when you will be plotting the graph, you will be getting two parallel lines, and the solution is known as no solution. Here no solution you will be getting. Did you got it? Here no solution will be getting, and this type of solution is known as inconsistent solution. In parallel line you are getting inconsistent solution, and in intersecting line and coincident line you are getting consistent solution. Is that clear? These are the three cases which you have to keep it in your mind in graphical method. Next is algebraic method. What is algebraic? Algebraic method is three types: elimination methods, substitution method, and cross multiplication method. This algebraic method I am going to explain in my next video. Children, here I will be giving through PDF I will be giving some homework that you have to do up to date, and write date, day, homework, write the question and write its answer and solve it. And if any doubt is there, you can call me anytime. I will be there to help you.